My name is Luuk Seelen. I work for Octapharma, Group Director Manufacturing Intelligence, and with Octapharma for 10 years already. We make medication out of blood plasma, so we have donation centers across the world, and our company flies in the donations to our facilities, and from that we make life-saving medication for our patients. My key message is that working with data and also now working with AI is the future, but it should not be underestimated or overestimated. So it takes a lot of work to set something up with AI, with machine learning, which shall not be underestimated. A lot of people think it's some kind of magic sprinkle dust that AI you throw over your production process and it magically does something to your process to get better, which it is not. So it costs a lot of work. In digitalization, we come from a very regulated industry, I think. And in this industry, we are used to work a lot with paper, in a lot of single systems. And in the future, we need to connect all these single systems or move away from these systems, which I think is a big, big challenge. But recently, over the last 5 to 10 years, a lot of digitalization tools have made it very easy to do so. So in the next years, I think we will have a big movement towards breaking through these silos, using the latest tools to integrate everything to a, let's say, a higher layer so that this information can really be used. And then I'm not talking only about data from paper, but from all your systems. They will be much more interconnected. Now you can build a layer of AI over it. And this is what I think will really be very powerful to optimize quick developments in pharma, and not only in manufacturing, but also in regulations, in quality. It will very much speed up a lot of processes. It is quite much better because you see and you hear from her, in this case, who wants to talk to you. I've given a list of people I would like to talk to, so it's much more personalized and much more interactive than your usual conference, because you're really linked up with people that are in the same field and want to talk to you, or you want to talk to them. So it makes it much easier to cross this bridge and to really get new connections, basically. With some vendors, with some colleagues from industry, had some interesting talks about which solutions are out there, on the one hand from the vendors, but also on the other hand from other companies and colleagues, to hear how they overcome certain challenges. And I think that is the nice thing about AUTOMA, is that it brings the digitalization tools, but also the experience from the industry that gives you this extra layer of what you can take home back to your company, so to say.